In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record vendor discounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a discount your vendor gave you so your expenses and payables stay accurate. First, start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the very top left, click the New button. This opens a menu of transactions you can create. From here, choose Vendor Credit. A vendor credit is the correct form for recording a reduction from a vendor. Things like an early payment discount, a price adjustment, or a courtesy credit. It reduces what you owe and keeps your vendor balance correct. On the vendor credit screen, select the vendor who provided the discount. Choosing the right vendor matters because this credit will be available to apply against that vendor's current or future bills. Make sure the date is the date the discount was granted, not necessarily the day you pay a bill. If you want, you can add a memo or reference number for clarity, so anyone reviewing your books later can see why the discount was given. Next, go down to the Category Details section. In the Account Category column, select the Discount Given account category, then enter the amount of the discount. Use a positive number. QuickBooks understands this form as a credit, so you don't need to enter a negative. If your company uses a slightly different account name for vendor discounts, pick the one your accountant has designated for vendor-related discounts. The key is to post this to your discount account, not to an expense category that would overstate your costs. You can also add a brief description like early payment discount on March invoice. To make the purpose clear, take a quick moment to review the entry. Confirm the vendor, date, account category, and discount amount are all correct. If your books track classes, locations, or projects, you can tag those here too, so the discount is reflected in the right segment of your reporting. When you're satisfied, click Save and Close. That's it. The vendor credit is now on file and will reduce what you owe that vendor. The next time you enter or pay a bill for this vendor, you'll be able to apply this credit to bring down the amount due. If you don't see it right away, double-check that the vendor and dates match the period you're working in. Recording vendor discounts this way keeps your expenses accurate, your vendor balances clean, and your reports reliable. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part as you follow along in your own QuickBooks Online file.